Alright everybody, welcome back to Keith 60 Hotshot Adventures. Gonna just do a project here, something different, I guess. So this is a trailer I acquired, I don't know, I've had it for a while. Anyways, it's 4 foot by 8 foot. This is basically how I got it, more or less. I had some of this scrap, it's like some 1x4 tongue and groove or something. Had a lot of it. And so I just stripped it off the top, stripped it off. The plan going forward, I'm thinking tires don't hold air, they're completely dry rotted and shot. So I'm going to see if I can't just Amazon an inner tube for them, or look and see how much another tire would be. But I'm thinking I'm going to throw some Rust-Oleum black, just clean up the frame real quick, nothing special. And then I was either going to go with some more strip planks like this, some 1x4s from like Home Depot. So I'm going to see what the price difference is with some cheaper 1x4, maybe thicker 2x. So I really don't want to, it's a tin trailer, so I mean, anything more than some 1x4 like this, you're basically going to move into something thicker like a 2x4. So I'm thinking, just going to throw on a 4x8 sheet of plywood, about 3/4 inch to 1 inch, so we'll see. Probably the happy middle ground is maybe 5/8. We'll see. But yeah, so I'll probably throw some plywood on there. It is super flimsy. Like if you step on a corner, the whole trailer twists terribly. And when I had my, it's my scrap trailer. When I had, I don't know, probably 2,000 pounds on it easily at the time. It was all sorts of twisted up. I mean, it sprung back. It didn't really damage it, but there's no rigidity at all in the frame due to the way it's designed. There's just no structure. So I'm going to come off from here, behind the jack, come all the way across at a diagonal to here with some angle iron, like most single axle trailers have. And this is another trailer project. So I've got tons of angle iron from this trailer project. This was a wrecked trailer, got my hands on, and I've since put new C-channel frame rail. Did all that. My next thing for this, I got to get axles for it before I proceed any further. But I'm going to use all the cross supports that go from left to right or right to left, however you want to look at it. Those are more than strong enough and long enough to do what I need here to build the V that comes across. That should more than enough strengthen up the twist out of it, and then the sheet of plywood on top will be perfect. And then sides, I got some scrap 2x4s. I'm probably going to go 12-18 inch sides on it. They are just these like little bolted on stake pockets. They go all the way around down the back up the side. So I'm going to just have some sides up front. And then that's kind of going to be the project. Probably take a couple of weeks of just messing around. Trying to stay budget friendly. I mean, you know how quickly a project can get out of hand. In this case, plywood, inner tubes, metal, welding. So, I mean, for example, like here's my bigger car trailer. It's got the center that goes all the way down like that one did. Let's see if we can't get under it here. So this one goes all the way to here. And then my side piece, this piece is totally integrated, but for example, for a V-nose, my other angle iron based, utility trailers out front. But yep, just wanted to throw a quick video together. This is going to be my latest project of just tinkering around. July 4th weekend's coming up, so depending on how much money and how much effort I want to throw at it. This is, basically a weekend project at that. Stay tuned. We'll see how this ends up turning out. Thanks for joining.